Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Sticking with what I've been showing you guys lately, I've showed you guys how to do panel lines, whether they be extruded or cut into the fuselage itself. So this time I'm going to show you guys how to do rivets. And again, the rivets can be in the panel or whatever, where you want it, in the panel or sticking out. I'm going to show you how to do this sticking out and sticking in also, where you don't have the actual little like rivets like these are sticking out on the outside here. Now, let's see here. Let me turn on this. Okay. Now, let's say we want to create a sketch on this plane here. And we want to put rivets, say, along the center line here. Now, we could go here and use a center diameter and use whatever diameter you guys want to use. I think I'll just go with 4. And I'm going to put one. Well, I don't need any more, but I just want to show you guys something really quick here. And go ahead and finish this. Now, if we extrude this, excuse the background noise too, my printer's printing and my other computer's on, and it's making some noise too. And let's say we pull this over here, and we select new body, and click OK. Now this, as you can see, if we cut this using the fuselage side here, watch what happens. So we'll come up here, split body. This is body to split. And we're going to use this. Or actually use the whole thing. And click OK. Now we turn this portion off here. And from the side, our rivet is elongated. But from the front, it looks like a circle. Now, we don't want that elongation like that. So, what we need to do is rotate this. Now, you can rotate this. You turn it off and turn it on. And that's up to you if you want to rotate it or not. But rotating it, let's turn off the main body here so we can see that piece here. Now you see if you rotate it, first we extrude. We're going to well, it may not let us extrude this, so you can't use extrude. We're going to have to use the push-pull. So we come over here, click push-pull, and click this. Now, as you see, it still doesn't give you the right shape. Go ahead and click OK. Just doesn't work out right. So, what we need to do create a sketch on this plane again. Now, what we want to be is perpendicular to this. So what we can do is look at that and create a sketch on this plane here. Circle. Again, let's go ahead and put it here. And let's go ahead and make this 5. and finish sketch. Then I'll extrude this. Change this to new body and click OK. Now you can see it's still not perpendicular to this. Now what you can do, or you should do, is come up here and rotate it so it is perpendicular to the fuselage. $15 is too much. And let's try 12. Okay. Now we have this sticking out just like that. Now, next, come over here to a split body. This is the body to split. And this is a splitting tool. And click OK. Now this here, we can turn this off because right now we just don't need it. And now this is perpendicular to the body. And what you can do is pattern this body here. So we come up to create and pattern, and we're just going to use a pattern on a path. Now select the object is this, and our path is going to be this. Now what you're going to have to do is change the orientation to path direction. Now make sure you do that. And add how many you want. Click OK. And as you can see, now we have these rivets here, different rivets. And all from that one rivet there. Okay. But like I said, when you do this, make sure you change this to path direction right here. And go ahead and leave this alone. Okay, now that's how you go ahead and do that. And now we have those rivets there. Now, to have these sunken in, now you would think you come up here and use an extrude, but it's not going to let you extrude this here. Extrude cut. So we cancel this. And what I'm going to do now is use push-pull. And select this. And I'm going to put a -1. But since this is inside of here, let's cancel this for now. Okay. what we're going to have to do here is use the other side of this. So this here, we're going to have to use this side here to cut into it. So we turn this off and turn this off. And now we use the push-pull here. And depending how deep you want this to be, like I said, just 1 millimeter, and click OK. Then we turn the main body back on. Then we split body. Cancel this. Split body. And, or excuse me, cancel this. I meant to combine. And this is the target body. And this is the tool body. And we want to select this to cut. And we can keep the tool and click OK. So if you turn this off, now you can see that cut into there. And now you have that cut down the side. Then once you have this, then you can pattern this again. And that's how you get the ones down the side here. And then you can do all of them at one time. You press pull and then select each one of these and put in 1 millimeter. And then it'll cut into there, then combine them. Now, if you need a rivet to stick out, it's pretty much the same thing. You use this press pull again. Select this, pull out. Let's make this 1 millimeter and click OK. Now that's sticking out. Come up here to fillet. Select this. And click OK. Now you have your rivet. But after you have your rivet, you just do one rivet, then you'll use your pattern. So I showed you guys how to do this type first, but this here, you just want to do one rivet at a time. Just make this one rivet, and then you just pattern it. So that's how you do that. And you could, there are different ways of doing it, but that's pretty much the easiest way that I know how to do rivets. It's just like that. So like, let's do some more here. Okay. I'm going to sketch a line. This plane. And about right there. And finish sketch. Now I want to move this line. Okay, cancel that. And select the whole line. And move it over here. Click OK. We have our line through there. Then come over to create, select pipe, click that, and want this to be, say, let's go ahead and make it 5. delete that and select this, change this to new body and click OK. Now that is perpendicular to that. And so what we want to do here now is split body. This is the body to split. And this is the splitting tool. Click OK. Turn this off. Select push pull. This here. Pull this up however much you need and click OK. Turn this off too. We have that. Then fillet this and click OK. Now you can see that looks good. Then we can come up here to create and we're going to pattern. Let's use a rectangular pattern. This is the body here. And the axis is this. Move this down how many, and select how many you need. Click OK. Now you have a row of those there. And we can pattern again. And we're going to use pattern on a path. This, the object, and we're going to use this. And again, change this to path direction. And click OK. And there we have those three. And you see that how they are nice following this round through here. So like I said before, when you use that pattern tool, you have to change that to path direction. Because let's say we go back and change this to identical. Then click OK. Now you see what happened? These here are all, it does follow this path, but it's they all stay the same direction facing upward. They don't rotate along the path as it goes around. So we'll go back here, edit, and change this back to path direction, and click OK. Now as you can see, now they follow this. And pretty much that's it for making rivets. This is very simple to do this way. There are a lot of other ways of doing this, but this is just one that I find very simple to do and easy to do. And so like I said, just make sure you have that direction switch in there so this follows the shape of the curve, and this doesn't stay facing up as it goes around here. So yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you had, you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well. Also, if you have any questions about this, leave them down in the comments. And yeah, and I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look. If you have questions, leave them there. And so, yeah. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.